Hello everyone, in this video we'll take a look at the process of wrapping the hood. The hood surface is already prepared. We rubbed the surface with a non-abrasive clay. Also, we degreased the surface of the hood and its edges. To wrap the hood, we will need a soapy solution and some alcohol solution. Before wrapping, we wet the surface of the hood with soapy solution. We will also wet base under the hood, at the windshield and next to the fenders. Then we will remove the water with a squeegee and wet the hood once again. Then we will wet the film itself with soapy solution and start applying the film. Now we will anchor the film on this part of the fender. Then we will rinse that part of the fender with some alcohol solution. Then, while slightly stretching the film, we will anchor it there. After that, we wash the film at the headlights with alcohol and pull it towards the front end of the hood in order to cover it. We have fixed the film at 4 points, at the corners of the fenders and on the headlights. Now, we will slightly wet the film surface with soapy solution and start pulling the solution from under the film. We will squeegee the center of the hood and all the body lines in order to avoid unnecessary adhesion of the film. After we have applied the main surface of the hood, we will wash all the edges with an alcohol solution and let it dry a little. After that, we will wrap the edges. We washed the edges with an alcohol solution. Now, we will cut off the film with a margin of about 5 to 7 millimeters in places where it is not fixed to adjacent elements. The film is dried up. Now we will wrap the edges. Also, we will cut the film in the fixed places with a margin of approximately 5mm in order to tuck it in. At the corners, we will cut the film with a smaller margin in order to avoid wrinkles. Under the emblem, we will cut out the film with a margin of about 1 centimeter. Wash it with an alcohol solution and then squeegee it. We've finished wrapping the edges. The wrapping of the hood is complete.